Hello, everyone, and welcome to Welcome English, the podcast that makes learning English simple and fun. My name is Jack.
And I'm Jill. We are so happy you are here with us today.
This podcast is especially for you if you are new to English. Maybe you just moved to a new country.
Or maybe you are just starting your English learning journey. We know it can feel difficult, maybe even a little scary.
Right, but that's why we're here. We want to help you, and we promise to make it easy and fun.
Exactly. Remember, every small step you take is a big success. Just by listening today, you are doing something amazing. We are so proud of you.
You can do this. We believe in you. So, what are we learning today, Jill?
Today, we have something very, very useful. We are going to teach you 50 daily English phrases. These are the words and sentences you will need every single day.
50? That sounds like a lot.
It is, but we will make it simple. These phrases are for real life. You can use them at work, at school, when you go shopping, or in a restaurant.
Or when you're making new friends, taking the bus, or making a phone call. They will help you everywhere.
So, get a pen and paper, or just listen carefully. Let's begin with our first category, greetings.
Greetings are how we say hello. Let's start with the most common one. Good morning.
You use this in the morning, before 12 p.m. It's a friendly, polite way to start the day. For example, if I see Jack, good morning, Jack.
Good morning, Jill. You can also say good afternoon after 12 p.m. and good evening at night.
How are you?
This is a very important question. It means, are you feeling good? People ask this all the time.
Right. And a great answer is, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Let's try it, Jack. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you, Jill. And you?
I'm doing great. See? It's a little conversation.
Perfect. One more greeting. Have a nice day. You say this when you are leaving someone, like at a shop or at work.
It's a very kind way to say goodbye. Okay, next category, small talk.
Small talk is the polite, friendly conversation you have when you first meet someone. A great question is, where are you from?
People love to talk about where they are from. You can answer, I'm from, and say your country. For example, I'm from Japan, or I'm from Mexico.
Another good small talk question is, what do you do? This means, what is your job?
I'm a student, or I'm a doctor, or I work in a restaurant. Let's move to our next category, shopping.
How much is this?
Right, it means, what is the price? Let's imagine we're in a shop. Excuse me, Jack, how much is this book?
It's $15.
If you want to buy it, you can say, I'll take it. This means, I want to buy this.
And if you need to pay with your bank card, you can ask, can I pay by card?
Very useful. Okay, how about at a restaurant?
When you enter a restaurant, you can say, a table for two, please, if there are two people, or a table for four.
Then you can ask, can I see the menu, please? The menu is the list of food.
And when you are ready to order, you say, I'd like to order, and then say the food you want. I'd like to order the pizza.
After the meal, to pay, you say, can I have the bill, please? The bill is the paper that shows how much you have to pay.
Great! We're learning so many phrases. We have phrases for work, public transport, phone calls, and more on our website. But now, let's try using them in a real situation.
Yes, it's time for mini role plays. This is great practice for listening. First, let's go to a coffee shop. I'll be the barista, and Jack is the customer. Hi, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I'd like to order a large coffee, please.
Of course. Anything else for you?
No, that's all. Thank you. How much is that?
That will be $3.50.
Okay. Can I pay by card?
You bet. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
See how many phrases he used? It was a full, successful conversation.
It was. And now it's your turn to speak. Let's do some pronunciation practice.
Yes. Remember, speaking is very important. Don't be shy. We are here with you.
Ribi,
Let's go.
how are you?
Good job.
Where are you from?
Excellent.
How much is this?
You sound great.
Can I have the bill, please?
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. You are doing so well.
Okay, next, let's talk about a few common mistakes.
And remember, everyone makes mistakes. It is a normal part of learning. Our goal is to help you feel more confident.
Exactly. So, mistake number 1, if you don't understand what someone said, don't just say, "What?" It can sound a little bit rude.
A much more polite way to say it is, "Could you repeat that, please?" Or, "I'm sorry, I don't understand."
Right, it's softer and more friendly. Okay, mistake number 2. When you want a waiter's attention in a restaurant, don't shout, "Hey, you."
Instead, try to make eye contact and say, "Excuse me." It's polite and effective.
Great tips, Jill. Learning these small things makes a big difference.
It really does. Now, are you ready for a listening challenge?
I hope so. We are going to play a very short conversation. Listen closely. We will then ask you 3 questions about it.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the library?
Yes, it does.
Great, how much is a ticket?
It's $2.50.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, did you hear that? Here are the questions.
Question 1. Where does the person want to go?
Question 2. How much is the bus ticket?
And question 3. Did the person buy a ticket?
Okay, let's reveal the answers. The answer to question 1, where does the person want to go, is to the library.
The answer to question 2, how much is the bus ticket, is $2.50.
And the answer to question 3, did the person buy a ticket, is we don't know. They asked the price, but they didn't say, "I'll take it." A little tricky.
How did you do? If it was difficult, don't worry. Listening is a skill that gets better with practice.
Exactly. Now, for a quick review, let's go over 10 key phrases very fast. Jack, you say the phrase, and I'll say what it means.
Ready? Let's go. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
How are you?
Asking if someone is okay.
I'll take it.
You want to buy something?
Excuse me?
Excuse me. Pardon me. May I have a moment of your attention?
Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Wow, that was fast. Great job, everyone.
Now for our final challenge, the speaking challenge.
That's right. It's not enough to just listen. You need to speak. So this week, we challenge you to use 5 of the phrases you learned today.
Just 5. It can be simple. For example, 1, when you get your morning coffee, say good morning and have a nice day to the barista. That's 2 phrases already.
At a store, ask, "How much is this?" Even if you know the price, it's just for practice.
Thank you so much.
And 5, ask a coworker or a neighbor, "How are you?" Be brave. It gets easier every time you try.
And that is all we have for today's episode of Welcome English.
Thank you so much for joining us. We are so happy to be on this journey with you. Remember to practice a little bit every day.